guys, I'm Odyssey2 and this is the very first video of decoding my first combination padlock. I've been messing about with this for a few days. I've had to put like a sticky plaster type thing on there to hide the name that's on there. I'm pretty sure everybody in the UK will recognise this combination lock. It's currently set at 6804 after playing with it a bit ago. I'm unsure of how much tension and stuff to put on the shackle, etc. Not sure if you can see that, so I'm going to have to move around the camera. Hopefully it'll focus in there. Try to get a bit of extra light. Hopefully you can see that because my back is breaking. So I'll move back round. Do apologise for the wound there. It's a garlic bread wound. If you'll be saying, garlic bread? Garlic bread? How can you get a wound from garlic bread? In the oven the other week, making quite a few up for my wife and son, mixing and matching. On the shelves I caught myself. So basically, let's set at that. So we've got the 6804. We need to ping that round. Cover it up. Swap everything round. Back out, it's then pushed back into place. Just going to scramble that up. No point getting it out and offering that to the camera, so it's not focusing very well. That's now all swapped over. So it was 6804. Let's have a look. So we've got 6, 8, 0 and 4. So now that's locked up on that combination. Again, because of these stupid plastic bits on the outside. So I'll set them all to 0. Like I say, Potty 314 my friend, any hints and tips would be greatly appreciated. So I'm putting tension sort of on the shackle there, and I'm looking for like binding wheels. Got a few binders there. I'll try go on the first one. Try with the 5 because it just give a little bit of give on there. 0. Moved over on 8. Could be a 6. You just keep going round. 2. Try that on 7. 0, 4. Oh, done it. Took its time there popping. The new code is 8487. So that is my first attempt at decoding a combination padlock. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy picking, and please keep it legal.